Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Today we will be doing the lecture 10 of classroom English. It says, what are the words they all begin with BO? So we have to guess the words which begin with BO. The solution is already given on the given worksheets. The first one here, it is made of glass and it holds liquid. It must be bottle. It can be glass, because it does not start with BO. There are some inside your body, so it will be bones, because bones are the only body parts that starts with bo, as far as I know. Not a girl, not a man, or a woman, so it will be a boy, because it starts with bo. Strong and full of courage, it will be bold. It is all on my book here, and the solution are already given on the given worksheets too. So the question for B2 part, it says read the following sentences carefully and then use the underlined words in the sentences of your own. I have like here, don't give up your music lessons, hold up tight to your kite string. The dentist can pull out a bad tooth, and don't laugh at accidents, and don't take away her pencils. Now the words given here which are underlined will be used in sentences. It is your homework assignment. It will be done on your notebooks. If you have any problems, consult your tutors or your teachers, also your parents. uh, Otherwise, leave comments below YouTube video, and I will help you out. In the next video, Allah Hafiz.